Phidias V2 is launched, and the purpose of this video is to present you, introduce you and explaining you why Phidias is the best platform in the world, and why Phidias is suiting you and why is the best platform for you. So let's take a look on the Phidias website, and especially with this V2. What is it really insane with Phidias is, if you're really good in trading, with Phidias, you can build an insane amount of live capital with really low financial resources. So that's why it's insane. And we're gonna explain everything right there. And I almost forgot, guys, before to start this video, I want to accomplish one of my dreams in trading. What is it? Doing a full sessions, at least one day, with Patrick Villan in the BDH. So that's why I'm asking and calling to the power of social media if some guys who's watching this video have some contacts and who is in contact with Patrick Villan, to put me in relation with him and trying to arrange that and making him understand who is the best pro firm in the world, baby. Let's go! Let's go! And of course, if you reach to put me in relation with him, for sure I'm gonna give you something really nice. So let's start this video, and Patrick, soon I'm gonna reach you, and I'm gonna put my step and my big dick too in the BDH. Let's go, baby! And now let's take a look at this table and comparator. So first of all, there's the Express to Live. As I said before that, there was only the 25k static account, and now they changed the name by Express to Live, and there are new sizes like the 50k, 100k, 150k. So the features of the static or Express to Live is the drawdown is staying static. Okay, so for example, you have $500 of drawdown, and you have to hit into your evaluation $1,500 of profit target. I repeat it. The drawdown is staying static. It never trails, neither end of day, neither on your unrealized PNL. It stays static. So once you're winning and you have plus $500 into your balance, so $500 of drawdown plus $500 of PNL, it makes, and it equals to $1,000 of drawdown. So that's why your equity curve into this Express to Live should be exponential. Day to pass 0, you can pass it in the same day that you take your evaluation, and maximum size 2 minis or 20 micros. No consistency rule, no monthly subscriptions, even if you take it in OTP or evaluation. New trading allowed, $0 activation fee, of course, with the OTP, because OTP is the best prices on Phidias. $55 only, and $0 activation, of course. Once you pass it, once you pass your evaluation, so once you hit your $1,000, your $1,500 of profit target into your evaluation, the Phidias dashboard is updated instantly. So I would say in 1-2 minutes maximum, you could be able, after you hit your profit target, to pass it into a cash account. And that's completely insane in 1 or 2 minutes. So you can take it the same day, your evaluation, your new evaluation, and bam, trade directly after you hit your profit target, trade directly into your cash accounts the same day. You don't need to wait the next day to pass your evaluation accounts to your to a funded account. So once you are in your cash accounts, you have to do the same things. So you start from 0, you have $500 of drawdown, and you have to hit $1,500 of profit target. No more, no less. $1,500. 0 days to pay out, and 2 maximum size 2 minis or 20 micros as usual. So guys, 0 days to pay out. So that means, and because the Phidias dashboard is updating instantly, the same day you can take a 25k Express to Live in evaluation, hit the profit target, directly transfer it into a cash account, hit the profit target again the same day, and the next day, bam, request your payout and having a payout. about $1,500. So in less than 24 hours, you can have a payout with Phidias Pro Firm with the Express to Live. And that's why it's completely insane with the Express to Live. And that's why I love the Express to Live. In less than 24 hours, you can get a payout. But for that, you need to be aggressive, of course. But there are a few guys on Phidias who's really aggressive and who succeeded to get a payout in only 6 hours. Once you hit your profit target, you will receive $800 actually in your wallet, and you will receive $500 into your new live account on Phidias Pro Firm. And that's why if you want to have a live account, that's why it's really nice this Express to Live account, because you just hit the profit target, you can get a payout, and you can get in the same time a live account. With this payout, so $800, you can reinvest into new accounts, or you can send your payout into your live account. And that's what I'm doing. Every payout that I'm doing with the Express to Live, fundamental or premium, I'm sending it into my live account to maximize my live account, and then having no more rules and be able to pay out every day if I want. Okay, so now you know how the Express to Live is working, but as I said just earlier, the Express to Live, Phidias made something completely new and just revolutionized the perfume industry. Why? Because soon as you're gonna take higher capital than the 25k, you will see. Look, for example, let's take the 50k. So you have $650 of drawdown, and you have to make $2,500 of profit target. If you hit the profit target into your cash accounts, you will receive $2,000 payout, profit split about 80%, so 2,000 times 0.8, so you will receive into your wallet $1,600 and $1,000 into your live account plus $1,000, so it means $2,600. Real money, baby, for you. So guys, do you figured out what I'm saying to you right now? You just made in trading $2,500 of profit. And Phidias, with the Express to Live, is giving you more than you are actually winning in trading. And this is the only prop firm in the world who is giving you more than you are actually winning. And that's why it's completely insane. There's no debate. You're winning more than you are actually winning. And it's getting even better as long as you're gonna get a higher account. And of course, my favorite accounts, the 150k, and I'm going all in with this account. With this family Express to Live, I'm going all in with the 150k. You have $1,000 of drawdown, and you have to make $4,500 of profit target. You can take 1 day, or you can take 1 year, or you can take 5 years to hit this profit target. I don't care. I'm gonna take all the time that I need to hit this profit target, because I'm going progressively on those accounts. So once you hit the profit target, you're winning $4,500 of payout with the profit split of 80%. So you're gonna win into your wallet $3,600 plus $2,000 into your live account. So guys, with the 150k Express to Live, you're winning $1,100 more than you are actually doing into your trading. $1,100 more than you're actually winning. This is revolutionizing the prop firm industry. Phidias is the only prop firm in the world who is giving you more than you are actually winning. And that's why I'm going all in with the 150k Express to Live. You can have up to 5 slots, 5 accounts, doesn't matter which size, so you can go up to 5 times 150k Express to Live, and that's what I'm gonna do. Then, as I say to you, you can send your payout into your live account. So for each 150k Express to Live that you're gonna pass, you're gonna win actually and really $5,600. Okay, as I said, you can have up to 5 accounts like that, so times 5, you can win only with the Express to Live, $28,000. $28,000, baby. $28,000. And if you're sending everything into your live account, bam, you can manage $28,000 into your live account and be able to withdraw and making payouts every day, every single day. The minimum payouts into your live account is $500. But even if you're losing, you can make some payouts of these $28,000 and you have enough capital to trade. So that's why I'm going all in with the 150k Express to Live. Then fundamental, this is the classic accounts, nothing changed on this family. So you have to make, according your capital, you have your drawdown, you have your profit targets that you have to win, to pass your evaluation. You have 3 days to pass, so 3 trading days to at least to pass your evaluation. And after you passed, you have the minimum threshold to make your first payout. There's going to be 80% of profit split on each payout that you're gonna make, 30% of consistency rule, end of day trading drawdown, and you have to trade 10 days to pay out. A trading day is considering from this amount. So for a 50k, $150, for a 100k, $200, and for a 150k, $250. I want to maximizing my allocation on Phidias. So the fundamental is gonna be the last accounts where I'm gonna go all in. And you don't need to win more than your minimum threshold to request your first payout. So that means, like other pro firms, you don't need, so from there to win 2,000 more than $103,000 to withdraw only $500 or $1,000. You can withdraw inside of your buffer. And that's why it's easier to get a payout on Phidias Pro Firm than the other one. But to be honest, the fundamental, this is not the best one. The best one are the premium. And so why? Why the premium? Because everything is premium. There's the same drawdown and profit target to pass your evaluation according your capital. Okay, let's say for the 100k. I'm going all in on the 100k to maximize my allocation, and I'm going to explain you why. So $3,000 of drawdown and you have to make $6,000 of profit target. You just need 1 day to pass it. 1 day, okay? And not 3 like the fundamentals. No monthly subscriptions, hold overnight plus over weekend. Guys, tell me just one pro firm in the world in futures who's allowing you doing swing trades. None. And ask yourself why. Because swing trading is so simple when the market is moving. So that's why no one else is offering you to do some swing trades on futures while Phidias Pro Firm is doing it. And there's real-time data, instant actions. So live PNL, drawdown and balance data, hit profit target, get funded instantly, no end of day wait. So once you pass it, bam, in 1-2 minutes you can transfer your evaluation accounts to your cash accounts, to funded accounts. And after you pass, so once you have your cash accounts, 100k premium or whatever in premium accounts, same drawdown, okay, end of day, a minimum threshold to make your first payout. There's not anymore 10 days to pay out, but only 5 days. Of course, always according the same daily PNL for valid the day. 30% of consistency rule, payouts every day, news trading allowed, hold overnight plus over weekend. Then, what's new? You can reset your cash accounts for $500 and there's not anymore 80% fix of profit split. So you can see the maximum payout on the 100k is $2,500. For the 50k is $2,000 and the 150k is $2,750. So let's take, for example, the 100k. Your first payout, if you're requesting $2,500, you're gonna receive $1,875 because it's 75%. So your first payout, you're gonna receive 75% of your requesting, of your payout that you request, okay? Second payout, you're gonna request 80%. Third payout, you're gonna receive 85% of your payout that you request. fourth 90%, and the fifth payout and every other else payout that you're gonna make into your cash accounts, you're gonna receive 100% of your payout. Then maybe, as you know, before it was always from 3 payouts on the same accounts. Bam, you passed and you went directly into your full in live account, and you couldn't trade anymore into your funded accounts on Phidias. Now it changed. Live transition is strictly discretionary. The Phidias risk team reviews each profile from 5 cumulative payouts or 100k in generated profits. So guys, before to go full in live, you have enough time and you have enough possibilities with your payouts, guys, to reinvest into the fundamental, to maximize your allocation and to maximize your premium accounts too, to maximize your payouts until to pass full in live. And that's what I'm doing. So for the moment, the day where I'm doing this video, I have 100k fundamental, okay? And right there available, this is your slots available. So on the fundamental family, you have 5 slots. And for that, a 50k fundamental is 1 slot. 100k is 1 slot too. And 150k is 2 slots. So if you get it, you cannot have 550k because 150k is 2 slots. So you can have up to 250k and then choosing and having 100k or 150k. So that's why I prefer to have 500k fundamental to maximize my allocation at the highest. Then the 10k drawdown challenge, this is the competitions. We are talking about these competitions every day, and I'm fighting to be the first to win the $12,000. Then Express to Live. Express to Live, there's a different way to work. So there's, of course, 5 slots, but in this family, you can get up to 550k. I've already passed 125k in the V1 of Phidias. So now I'm limited up to 450k Express to Live. So I have already my 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot take only 150k. I'm working them to pass into my cash accounts and then trading my cash accounts to pass it. So you can have up to and get up to 550k Express to Live. And the premium is working in the same way than the fundamental one. So you can get up to 5 slots. And so a 50k is 1 slot, a 100k is 1 slot, and a 150k is 2 slots. 2 slots, okay? And that's why I prefer to get 500k premium. And I have already my 5, 2 in cash. And there's always 3 available, and my 3, I'm working them, I'm trading them, they are here. And I'm trading them every day. Alright, so now if you want to maximizing your allocation on Phidias, let's see together how much you can get up to with Phidias into your live account and as a payout. So we say with the Express to Live, you can have up to 5 accounts, so 550k accounts. And we saw each other earlier that you can, if you hit the payout of these 550k accounts, you can have up to $28,000 with your live account and with your payouts that Phidias is giving you. So let's see together. Express to Live, 150k, 5 accounts. So per account, you're gonna win $4,500 with the profit split of 80%. So profit split 80%, you will receive $3,600 into your wallet, plus these $2,000 into your live credit, your live account on Phidias, times 5, $28,000. Bam! And now, if you want to maximizing everything, your allocation and your payouts on the Phidias, you have to take 5 times 100k account because of the slot. So let's take fundamental 100k after you pass, and the maximum payout you can make and you can request on the 100K. This is $2,500 with the profit split of 80%. So for each payout on the 100K fundamental, you will receive $2,000 into your wallet. So this is the maximum dollars that you can win on the fundamental. Why? Because fundamental 100K, let's take the calculator. So you can make with the 100K up to $2,500 of payout per payout with the profit split. So you will receive $2,000 per payout, okay? Times 5 per account. And you have five accounts like that, so times 5. So that's why you can make up to 50 grand of payout thanks to the fundamental. Then with the premium, let's take the premium 100K, sorry, after you passed, and we have everything right there. So per account, the first payout will be $1,875, sorry. Then the second one, $2,000. The third one, $2,125. The fourth one, $2,250. And the last one, $2,500. Per account, you can win up to $10,750 times 5 because you have 5 accounts. Bam! $53,750 on the premium accounts maximum. But guys, you see that it's more than $100,000, and on Phidias you are capped up to $100,000 of payout in a simulated environment. So that's why I'm saying with Phidias, with a low financial resources, you can build an insane amount of live capital. You don't need even to put your own real money into your own live capital with a broker, because with less risk, you can have an insane amount of live capital, actually more than $100,000 of live capital. And that's why I'm working really hard to improve my trading and trying to get my payouts. And I will take my time to build my live account like that. And I'm doing everything in live, guys. So hope it makes you want to trade with Phidias Pro Firm, because once you get it, that it's the best pro firm in the world to build real skills, build real capital, and build real payouts too, you will never give up Phidias. And of course, guys, for that, if you want, you need a discount, and if you want to enjoy the best accounts on Phidias, of course, use the FLT code. Because the FLT code is offering you the best discounts and the best promo too. And of course, we are consistently profitable. And in live, baby, on the Phidias Pro Firm YouTube channel, every day with Bull Barbie, from Monday to Friday, bam, 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 scalping, day trading, and passing the evaluations, trading the cash accounts too. I'm explaining everything in live. If you have any questions, just ask it below in comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, trade safe. It was Florian, trader. See you!
Yo, his name is Florian, he's the NASDAQ hustler. Every day he's grinding, making all them numbers cluster. He's a day trader, living life as a thrill seeker. Analyzing charts, he's the Wall Street sneaker. 9 to 5 ain't his game, it's the stock market flow. Tickers on his mind, watching those numbers grow. Buy low, sell high, that's the name of